Hello. Hello. The weather has definitely become much warmer. As you saw earlier, the flowers will just pop up. The buds will also be green. But the customer, it's so beautiful to heal from the outside.
The moment I came in, I was depressed.
These are the concerns of customers.
You're here again, aren't you? Yes.
Comfortable life.
You can wholesale directly.
If you join us.
You will be completely happy. The biggest point of the product you are bringing today is that you can self-construct it. We women were like that before we came in. So why do you like beautiful things so much?
Being beautiful means that it is important for me to stand out rather than thinking that I am pretty. Then, it would be important for me to stand out by painting the house and doing the customer's self-construction. It's not difficult at all.
If you look at it now, you can think of it as insulating wallpaper for attaching silk. But even before we came in a while ago, we put the know-how in all sorts of things. That's why there is transparent vinyl here at the end. If you take this off a little bit and put it all on anywhere, it will all stick. You can comfortably self-construct. So let me tell you which wall you can attach to which wall. If the house is old like this, it can be torn. That's right. You may have scratched or torn while passing by, or you may have a lot of condensation like this now, probably before spring.
You can organize these things once and attach them right away. The children go to middle school, and the graffiti they made is a bit of a memory. But at some point, there comes a moment when I have to sort this out.
In that case, you can put it on too. All you have to do is put this one that our host mother likes. There is clear vinyl on the back of the customer. You can just take it off, cut it, and then pull it slightly and put it on top. So comfortable, right? There is nothing special about self-construction. Not only does it not come, but if you look at it now, if you give it a cheap one, the seams will swell very neatly. And what if you look at it now? The color is so dark, or it looks a little sloppy, or these things stand out. Let's take a look. Don't be surprised. Really? Everyone is so easy to feel like a professional. And if you look at it now, it's seamless. Don't you feel this tone? No matter how much I am a bear, can you realize the feeling of being done by an expert at your home? You have to be with me.
That's right. Yes.
Because I can do self-construction, many people really like it. For now, corners and things like that.
Is it that simple?
Customer, this is 1 mm thick.
Oh, it's just a magazine.
That's why I don't know as much as I do about this worry about being torn apart when I hold on to it. Just how to do it in the back. Once the transparent vinyl is completely broken, every house is different.
Corners are basic. There are a lot of round corners and square corners. If you don't, there are many cases where you are really torn apart like this. Can you see it? In this case, look at the customer. Just put this on top and go. Take a good look at you. This is how torn this place is right now. It's torn, right? It's hot here. Let's see how it goes. Oh my God, it's so good.
I think it's a person inside.
So, you really use it at home, but the customer is thin. But it floats here and there, doesn't it? It doesn't float. It doesn't float like this. So it's really neat.
And you only need to do the insulation wallpaper once. That's why it's tough and light, so even the ceiling can be used. So this...
In the case of the ceiling of the school, I also lived in the same house for 36 years. There are also a lot of oil swells on the ceiling. A fly. After that, it will be like this.
Vitamins.
Customer, just relax with one hand. Ah, that's right. Yes. Yes. Sound.
Look at this Kushani wallpaper you brought today to see what is even more surprising. It is of domestic production. It is produced in Korea, so the technology will be extraordinary.
If you look at it now, the 6 major hazardous substances standard conformity test has been completed, and the detection amount test has been completed. So, since this is attached to the house, check various dangerous things. And if you look at it now, the structure is
It is
different.
a high-density insulation structure in the middle of the 8th. This mask is thin, but I fill it with arms inside. I'll show you the results from the side. Dear customer, the heat retention test has been completed. Cool when hot, warm when cold. You know it's an advantage, right? There was a lot of condensation next to it, but it was supposed to be clean. But since it has been tested for mold resistance, please relax for no reason. But be precise.
Do it. Customer, this heat retention rate Mold resistance, of course, is still just right now. And after we do it, you can rest assured when the rainy season comes later, right?
But I did the self-construction at most. But it shouldn't be polluted. Right. I'll show you. For now, my children did some doodling. You can. However,
Don't worry, customer.
this is
Hey,
dirt.
don't do it. Don't paint it. But since you only need to polish the meat, it's so neat.
If you feel it now, the vertical sentence is like this. So the house looks long, and above all, there are a few different drinks. Take a look. Even if you spray it like this, it will be polluted.
Take a look. Like
Even
this.
if it's simple.
Pollution.
Even if it is. Look at it.
Even if you just wipe it fresh, you don't have to worry about how it gets soggy or crusty.
After 6 months.
Well, that's not what you're trying to do, is
Isn't it? If you install it just once, it is really resistant to this pollution of life. So I feel like I feel less traces of time now. Then all the customers have been confirmed. Then you won't feel like you have to put it everywhere in your house.
The material to be attached is the customer, and this is all attached. If you look at it now, we will only talk about wooden walls, customers. Maybe my husband has several shelves. In addition, it is very easy to attach. And if you go to the side, most of you will probably have a lot of silk wallpaper on the terrace or in a small space.
I see it a lot.
Here, then remove the transparent vinyl and then tilt it slightly to the side and attach it. Attach. If you put it on, what is the point of this? I can't see the seams like this.
It's completely like
This is so good. And did you put it wrong? You can reopen it. You can float it. And you can put it on again. Let's go down. If you look at most of the sinks, there are cases where the sheet paper has just split and just cracked. Then you can add it to that as well. Sheet paper is what we put on various tables, and we put it all together.
I put it like this.
I don't like it after attaching it. You just need to feel like a customer again. It's so good. So, if you come to the customer's house again, even if it's just the same, this is the customer's mistake. I'll stick it. See if you feel it. If you really try this, you won't do anything like this. This is why the tiles are now daubling. Usually, you press this tile on the back of the stove. Even if you wipe it, it won't get better.
It's great if you can sprout like this. Then we show that we are polluting our lives. If you come down, you will see metal. Probably most of them have front doors. The front door is probably like this, because the wind just comes in from here. However, even in this case, we have a variety of colors, so it would be great if you could put it on like this. Right. If you go to the side, you can mix cement and glass with board. Since it does not cut the material itself, the use of customers is endless.
Thank you.
That's why.
Stick it anywhere. The old door is also nice. The sink is also good. Oh, I want to clean it up now, but you just need to decide on the color today. But first of all, our size itself is 60. If this is too big,
It's big.
it's hard to do alone.
Lose here
We
again.
have to go back and forth together. But dear customer, are we just the right chips to open your hands? That's why the most popular color is cream white. Cream white. A warm feeling with a slightly modern feel next to it. Our parcel grade is also ready.
Yes.
The direction of the Everglade children seen next to it looks very good.
There are so many people who choose Evergreen for spring. Or my husband's study, or a pastel gray feel with a second-hand feel. After all, cream white looks much cleaner and neater. Now, here we will show you how much construction can be done if you have a width of 70 cm and make it 40 meters.
You do 40 meters.
In your line.
In a room. Our guest's small room. It will be so neat. Because of this, we really set a lot of conditions on the show. It's cleaner to wear clothes that match you better.
You can have at least one room. It's so comfortable to see it now. After cutting, remove the sticker slightly from the top and attach it. You can take off the sticker and put it on now. Even now, it's not like I'm having a hard time or feeling like this. Anyone can do it comfortably. If someone tries to do that while reading the instruction manual, we may recommend it. If you change the environment too comfortably, people will stand out. Right. When we open the closet of our mothers, it's full of clothes, but it's a child. Fold your mouth. I don't have that kind of clothes that will make me stand out right now. Then, from your home. Or maybe I have a lot of things to do, but the first thing I need to do is renovate the space where my family stays. If you drink a cup of coffee like this,
That's right. It's so good. Even if you change a dishcloth in your kitchen, it feels different.
Dish towel.
I feel like I changed one
Punctuation,
sheet.
capitalization, and
Customer.
sentences.
Wallpaper like this.